Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video we'll program our Harkson external radio to broadcast our base corrections over 450 MHz Trimtalk to boost the range for our RS3 rover. First we'll put our antenna together and connect it, as well as connect our power and data cables into our radio. Once we're connected and powered on, we can make some adjustments to the radio configuration using the buttons and LED screen integrated in the radio. But we will need to use the radio configuration tool to program things like the frequencies of the channels and call sign. So we'll plug our serial cable into our PC and open up the radio configuration tool. We'll click connect, then read, to pull in and populate the information about our radio and how it's currently configured. We'll go tab by tab to make sure everything matches up with our FCC license, so we are legal and don't invite visits from the authorities or incur any fines for operating in this frequency band. Here in the Personality tab, we see the changes we made on the integrated display, which will work with our RS3's UHF radio. Your power parameters will be dependent on the battery you're using. And again, we'll use our call sign from our FCC license. Once everything looks right, we will click right. We then just need to reboot the radio to finish the configuration there. To use our Emlid base with this radio, we'll hop into our base output and change it to serial. Select USB OTG for our port and match our baud rate of 115,200. Then we'll plug the serial cable into the radio, and once the base has a base marker, it will output corrections that you can observe the external radio outputting with the transmit status light. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.